Good morning, boys and girls. Let's get started with our math video. Today what you're going to need is your math meeting sheet. Right here. And you will also need your November calendar and weather graph because we're in November now. This you will find. You open up your binder, it'll be right here. Okay, it should be behind this. Okay, so that's where you'll find the weather graph, and then the math meeting sheet is in the normal place. Okay, so go ahead and put pause, and let's begin. I'm gonna share my screen with you. Let's fill out our chart together. So today is November 2020. For math, we always use a pencil. We never use a pen, always a pencil. Okay, your pencil is sharpened. November 1st was yesterday, and yesterday was All Saints Day, and it was Sunday. So let's go ahead and put 1 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go ahead and start filling it out. We'll start from the very first box. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. My goodness, Miss Santana sometimes gets so concentrated that she forgets. There are actually only 30 days in November. So, and what I wanted to do today is I want to fill out our calendar so that we know what we're doing this month. So for November, I'm going to use purple, and I'm going to color November for purple. And then for December, I'm going to color it blue so that I know that that's the next month that comes. So let's go purple. You ever get a color like this, and then you think it's a purple, it's a blue, and it's a purple? Yeah. That's like a winter blue. Okay, so let us go ahead and begin. I'm going to be right back. Finish filling that out, but I'll be right back. Okay, boys and girls. So, November 5th, just coming right up on Thursday, we have a birthday, actually. It's Jameson's birthday, so how about we put a birthday cake? So maybe we can draw a box and then a circle underneath, and then some candles. And that'll be our little birthday cake. And I'm gonna put Jameson's birthday. And for Jameson's, we're gonna put an apostrophe S because it's his birthday. Jameson's birthday. So we'll make sure to wish him a happy birthday that day. Then Alexis's birthday was just yesterday. So we'll wish him a happy birthday as well today. Happy birthday, Alexis. And when you come onto your Zooms, we'll go ahead and say happy birthday to you as well. Okay, let's see. Angel Vasquez's birthday's on the 12th. Again, another Thursday birthday. Wow. We're celebrating all of the birthdays on Thursday. Doing little candles. A little bit of fire. I'm going to put angels. Apostrophe S because it belongs to him. It's his birthday. Okay. And then we have one more birthday. And that's on the 19th. My goodness. Did we plan all these birthdays on Thursday? That is so funny. So we have another birthday on Thursday. We're just celebrating every week of November. And we will put little, so we'll put Briella's birthday. Briella. I put two E's. Briella's birthday. Okay, let's see. Are you guys all turning 8? No. Some of you are turning 7, and so you're turning 8. Okay, so that is it. And then on the 11th right here, we're gonna put no school because there's no school on the 11th. So I'm gonna highlight that so we remember. And then on the 24th and the 27th, so I'm just gonna put an arrow. We're gonna put no school. And then we're gonna put Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is on the 26th. Okay. Let's go ahead and highlight that one. We have no school on Thursday or Friday. Okay, so that's our calendar, boys and girls. If you need more time to color it, color the months down here, or if you need more time to write down what's happening this month, please feel free to put pause and we will continue after you're done. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Let's begin with our math reading sheet. Today's date, as we just saw, is November 2nd. Wow, remember when we were saying, oh my goodness, it's almost November. It's already here. We're on the 2nd day. Okay, boys and girls, write that down. There are how many more days until December? Let's write it down. And let's count. So today is this day. We never start on the day that we're at. We always go after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. This is November. I'm going to put November. Nope, not November. December. 29 days until December. And our pattern for today is this. One second while I figure this out. Where did my page go? Okay, here we are. This is our pattern, boys and girls. Capital A, lowercase b, capital C, lowercase d, and then you have to figure it out. So go ahead and put pause if you need more time. Okay, let's begin. So it's capital, capital, lowercase, lowercase. So I think that's the pattern, and I think it's going from alphabetical order. So it goes A, B, C, D, E, capital E, lowercase f, G, capital G, lowercase h, capital I. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the money for today is 56 cents. So I want you to show me how many pennies and how many dimes I need to make 56 cents. You don't have to write this down. How many pennies and dimes do I need? So, do you see this right here? When we have the tens and the ones place, so it's 56, right? 5, 6. How much are pennies worth? 1. How much are dimes worth? 10 cents. That's right. So 56 means I need 6 pennies and 5 dimes. Do you see that? Because 10 is a dime and 1 is a penny. So I have 6 here and 5 here. I know, if it sounds a little confusing right now, that's okay. We're just starting to learn this, okay? Maybe it doesn't sound confusing. Maybe it just makes sense. So we need how many? So I'm gonna go like this and I'm gonna put ones and then I'm gonna put tens over here. So I need 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Time right now, it is 7:20. Add meridian. Ante meridian, I apologize. Okay, we will eat lunch today. If you can't fit it under here, just write it underneath. We will eat lunch today at noon or 12 p.m. or post meridian. Okay, the number sentences for today is the number 8, and 8 plus 8 equals 16. 8 plus 6 equals 14. And 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay. Go ahead and put pause if you need more time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw our clock. So let's start at the top. 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 0, 0 at the top, 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, 60. I said it was 7:20, not 7:30 quite yet, but it will be. So my little hand points to the 7 because that's the hour, and my long hand points to the minutes. And it is 7:20, add meridian, ante meridian. Perfect, go ahead and put pause if you need more time, boys and girls. So what you will notice, boys and girls, in your inside of your binder is you have a lot of papers. And I'm going to explain what those papers mean. But one of the papers that you have is this sheet. Your parents need to see this sheet, okay? So I would like for you to show them this sheet. This sheet tells them all of the important dates. Miss Santana forgot to add one date, so we're gonna write it in right now. So go ahead and take out this piece of paper, this pink piece of paper. We're gonna add it together. So it's the first page in your thing, and then put it right back, okay? So let's go over the dates. It says Sunday, November 1st, we have a saint procession at Holy Innocents School after the 1 p.m. Mass. If you came, great. Number 2, Friday, November 6th and Monday the 9th, there will be a test for Romulus and Remus poem. Okay, so I also want you to take out your calendar right now. Okay, right here, we're gonna put Romulus and Remus test. If you come in on Monday, some of you come in on Monday instead of Friday, you're not gonna put Romulus and Remus test on Friday. You're gonna put Romulus and Remus test on Monday. But most of you come on Friday. I have one of you, Daniel, you come on Wednesday. So there's no school on Wednesday. So we'll have to do your test some other time, okay? So you would put your test here. But let's go ahead and put Romulus and Remus. Romulus and Remus. Make sure you're writing small because small boxes. Poem. That's when your test is. And I'm gonna go like this with the, because it's an important day and I need to remember it. Okay. Let's look back at our pink sheet. So if your test day is, if you come in on Monday, I have Briella, Jameson, Alexis, Dominic. I think that's it. If you come in on Monday, make sure to put your test here. Okay. Friday, November 13th or the 16th, right? Again, Friday or Monday. We have a phonogram test. That's when I'm going to give you all of your phonograms. So that's the 13th, this day. So why don't you put phonogram test. Go ahead and put that. Okay. Again, if you have Monday, then you put Monday. Okay, then we have pack a pickup, first communion meeting on Thursday, classical night, and Thanksgiving break. Okay, so we're gonna add down here 8 core test, November 13. Okay, or Monday, then you put the 16th like this. We have a core test, and I'll explain what that is in another video, okay? So put pause if you need more time to write that down. Okay. So those are some of the important events. Now, I know this is a lot. This is a lot of things. You might be a little confused. If you open up your binder to Monday, you'll see a couple of things, and I'll explain everything. But one of the sheets in your binder, you have your math meeting sheet. You have this sheet in your binder. This sheet right here. And if you see, it says Tuesday, November 3rd, Thursday, November 5th, Tuesday, November 10th, and Thursday, November 12th. Tomorrow, we're going to do this worksheet. Not today, but I just wanted to show you that today. Okay? Just letting you know what those pieces of paper are in your binder. Okay, boys and girls, you guys have been so patient with me. So today we're going to learn how to measure. You're going to need to get your ruler and this piece of paper from your binder. That should be under the Monday slide flaw. Okay. When you hold a ruler, we're always going to use inches, not centimeters. You see that cm? That's for centimeters. We want inches. Inches are bigger. Okay. So we're going to measure the width of this book. Are we ready? We always place our ruler down. We put one hand over here so it doesn't move, and we move it. You can move it like this, so that this right here, that very first line, can you touch this very first line for me? Good. That very first line, boys and girls, that's where we start. We'll never start like this. We never do that. We always start where the very first line is. So we're going to go all the way to the end. And how many inches is this book? Well, it starts here, and the book stops right here. You have to go all the way to the end, not right here, all the way to the end. Let's see. Okay, so this book is about 1.5 inches. This is 2 inches. And this is the half. So it's closer to the half. So we're gonna put 1.5 inches, okay? One inch and a half. So we're gonna put 1.5 inches. Let's go over here. We're estimating. Let us go this way. Okay. So we have our piece of paper, we're measuring, right? What I want us to do is we're gonna play a little scavenger hunt, okay? You are gonna go find a piece of paper, perhaps this piece of paper, or perhaps whatever piece of paper you want. It could be this piece of paper. I'm gonna use this piece of paper, and you're gonna measure it. So I'm gonna start from the top. Remember, we start at the top and go all the way to the bottom. How many inches is that? 11. So we're gonna put 11 inches. Okay, now how many inches is a ruler? Let's look at our ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to the end. 12 inches. So what are we gonna put for our ruler? 12. So go ahead and write that down. Okay, now they want us to measure from A to B. So let's put our ruler again at the very starting point, so the first line, and all the way down to B. Where does it stop? Right here. What number is there? 5. So we're gonna write 5 inches. Now this is an oblique line, right? Our oblique line. We're gonna start at the C, and we're gonna start at our first line, remember? We're gonna stop at our last line. How many inches is that? 7 inches, good job. Okay, boys and girls, that is it for today. Keep on practicing this at home. I would like for you to go get your ruler and start measuring things. See how long things are. maybe your door handle, or maybe you can ask your mom or dad to help you measure how tall you are, right? So go ahead and go out and measure. Okay, boys and girls, God bless you. Totus tuus, Aria.